Hi, I'm looking at calculating the area of these two sectors. Now, a sector is part of a circle, and the rule for the area of a circle is very similar to the rule of a circle. It's pi r squared is the rule of an entire circle, but then we need to work out the fraction of the circle that we've got. And to do that, we're going to multiply by a fraction of a circle based on angle. Now, a full circle is 360 degrees, so we're going to take the angle of our sector divided by 360 degrees. That'll give us the fraction of the circle we have times by pi r squared, and we've got our area. So doing that for part A, my angle would be this angle here, which is the angle of my sector, but it's marked just simply with this right angle marking here. Any right angle is 90 degrees, and the radius of my circle, because the center would be here, is 11 centimeters. So if we go to our rule, A equals theta on 360 degrees times by pi r squared, and put in our numbers, I get 90 degrees on 360 degrees multiplied by pi multiplied by 11 squared. And then if I go and pull out a calculator and work that out, I get my answer to be 95.03 centimeters squared. And that's it. That's the answer to part A done. Part B is very similar. We're going to use the same rule. Area is theta on 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. We just need to know that theta is the 30 degrees here, and my radius is 5 meters. So putting those numbers into our rule, we've got 30 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by pi multiplied by our radius 5 squared. And again, just putting all of that into a calculator as is, and we get 6.54. We're in meters, so we have meters squared. And that's it, we're done. The last thing I want to point out is just a trick with this angle. Sometimes when we have large sectors of a circle, if I make my sector look a little bit more appropriate, they will quite often give you the angle of the bit that's being cut out, say 40 degrees. Now, we need the angle of the inside of the sector. We need this bit because that tells us the area we have. This tells us the area we don't have. So if we want to work out what theta is, it would be 360 degrees minus off that angle that we have. So the angle we would use for theta in this case would be 320 degrees. So, to calculate the area of a sector, you do the fraction of the circle you have, theta on 360 degrees, times the area of a circle, pi r squared. Remembering, of course, you need the angle on the inside of the sector, not the outside of the sector.